Midwest. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, Southeastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, Northern Waller County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Prairie View, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hempstead, Prairie View, Bellville, Waller, Pine Island, and Monteville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.